Hey guys, welcome to ChandraAwesome. Well, have you ever wondered about applying your own QR codes on your designs? Well, we haven't thought about it, right? Because we know how QR code works, but we use it to print the QR codes and apply the stickers on your designs or wherever you want. Where the QR code just hold the information of your web or anything you want. So, in Onshape, we have the tool called QR code. It do the same work as as the what QR code does, but instead it will print the 3D view of your QR code so that can directly apply it on your object. Okay, so it simply hold the information whatever you want you give, and it will work in real. The QR codes, these are not like a random QR codes. Okay, so you might wonder that where we can actually use these QR codes. Well, as my personal objective, if you are working with a college projects, if you have personal projects, and if you want to apply the QR code directly on your design instead of sharing your project information verbally or to the all the viewers, so they just simply scan this QR code and they have the complete information, and you can promote your page as well just simply applying this QR code on your product. So whenever they scan this, they will redirect you to the page. Okay, now let's let me show you how does it works. Before working with this tool, let me show you the installation process. It's very simple, just like a before. Just go to our home studio ChandraAwesome. Just simply type my website slash learn and slash tools, or else you can simply search for QR code here. QR code, and there you go. Just simply click on it. It will redirect you to the tool. So you can simply click on download, and once the document loaded after you login, you can simply view the information, what is the use and the example and the code and everything. You can simply, once the document loaded, simply click on these custom features. It will be added to your toolbar. If it is highlighted, it will be added. Okay, so as I have already added, let's work with the tool. How does it works? Okay, now I just simply choose another face I want. Okay, so this is the QR code tool as I already shared. So it's just like so in the dialog box, it is asking the locations, means at which face you would like to apply this QR code. For example, I want to apply on this side. So by default, it will create the bounding preview bounding box. So instead of generating the graphics, is choose the preview. So once you okay with the preview, you can generate the geometry. So here the input where you have to give the information. So for example, I'm going to give you the tool information here itself in the input. So once I given the input, the the tool loads and create the generate code. It's currently didn't generate yet. So you can set with the size how much you want. For example, I want 3 inches. Okay, this much big I want, and the depth. How much depth you want to be extruded. It currently extruded upwards. If you want to remove, you can also remove option as also available. Just like extrude, how does it works? So here the error correction. So it will correct the errors of your QR code if anything happens. You can play with how much you want. Currently, I'm setting it as slow and set mini version. So it simply uh, changes the minimum version of your QR code. Let's show you how this works in live. Okay, I want to see the preview of the QR code. Just simply enable the checkbox here, and the tool loads, and this is the preview. You can observe the QR code. How it is showing. Now you can already set the min version, right? Currently it is 1. Let's keep it 5. What does it shows? Anything changes? No. Let's keep it 10. So as you can see, it is creating the more accurate QR. Like you can adjust the pixel sizes of the QR. So currently we don't need this. If you want to play with it, you can play with the create a more accurate QR code you want. Okay, now we have depth, like how much want you want to extrude, and we have another option called set pixel overlap, which means it simply let the pixels overlap so it won't affect your QR code. So let's keep 1 and see the changes how it works. Well, since it's a graphic view, we can't see the changes. Let's keep the default one, 0.01. Okay. And these are the invert pixels, which means it just invert the QR code. Currently, it is this direction, and you can see the QR code was inverted. So now let's switch to the geometry. Click on create geometry. So it will generate the 3D QR code for your input given. Okay. So as it takes time to generate and the first go. So let's wait and see. And I think it's already generated. As you can see, the QR code is already generated. Let's switch off the preview QR code so we can see the geometry clearly. So as you see, the QR code extrusion is already generated. So once it is generated, we have to check whether it is working or not. It will work only once you save the changes here. Okay. So let's see. It is currently added to the part. You can observe the add section here. Hmm, let it take time. And there you go. It is generated. Now let's or test with the pixel overlap. So I'm going to give one value and see what are the changes you can see. I'm not pausing the video right now because I want you to see the live changes here. Oh, I think it too much. Let's give the value 0.01 centimeter. And there you see the QR code is generated. Now you can simply save the changes and the QR code will be formed. Now let's see whether it is working or not. So since it is in white color, we have to make it black. I'm choosing the all faces of the QR code. Every face. Right click, add appearance to face, and choose black. So why choose the black? Because in order to make it scannable, because the white and white match sometimes phone don't scan it. Okay. Um, Instead, let's test with the PC browser itself. So let's switch to the bottom view and let's hide the planes. Now I'm going to click on the three dots. You can find the option search tab with Google Lens. Okay, click on that and choose the QR code. Uh, we'll scan. Yeah, there you go. See, it is showing that this QR code holds the information of the tool. Okay, just simply copy the URL or simply click on website. It takes me to the actual tool. That's what I have copied. So this is how does it works in real. The QR code is actually working real. So I hope this tool will be helpful for your project cases or for your personal use cases. Okay. Um, that's all about this tool. If you really like this tool and our channel, and mostly my content is helpful, please please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, guys. Your support is always gives me push to create more such unique videos with Onshape on as well other tools. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.